Hello everyone, my name is Nima and this is peer review assignment number 2 for Introduction to Music Production class on Coursera. I'll be focusing on my DAW's tools for editing audio regions, and I use Ableton Live Suite 8. I already have 2 audio samples over here back to back. Let's listen to them. As you can tell, the first region has some more sounds in it than the second one, but they seem similar it's kind of a breakdown as it goes from the first one to the second one. Now, if you wanted to trim one of these regions, you simply take the mouse to the edge of that region and click the mouse down and move it to trim it. Right now the grid is off, so it doesn't snap to the grid lines. If you want it to snap to the grid lines, you right click in the audio track and pick the number of bars that you would like to see the grids map to, and then you do the same thing. You go to the edge and trim that audio region to the proper grid line that you want it. If you wanted to split one of these regions into 2, you place the cursor in the region that you wanted to split it, go to Edit and Split, or Command E does the same thing faster if you want it to work more efficiently. As you can see, we have 2 regions now out of the one that we had before. You could color each of these distinctly, for example red for the second one. You could also rename them by right clicking and clicking on rename, or Command R for more efficient renaming. We could call it section 2. And if you wanted to cycle a particular region to hear it over and over again that you're working on, you could move these parameters up here right under the measure bar to the region that you want to hear, and if you click on loop up here, it would only play that region that you've selected. Yeah, and you could edit that as you please. Furthermore, if you wanted to make transitions more smoother, or for other regions create a crossfade between 2 audio regions, you could zoom down to that region by taking your mouse above the measure ruler, clicking and dragging down to zoom in. And on this right side drop down menu, you select fades, which was already selected, and you see 2 nodes appear in the transition. When you want to create a crossfade, you pick the node of one of the regions and drag it into the opposing region, as you can see, to create the crossfade and hopefully get a smoother transition in this case. Let's hear it again. Okay, that's not too bad. And if you wanted to create a marker in a specific location on the measure bar, you take the cursor to that region, say right here, and on this right side you select set and the marker appears. You can rename that marker by right clicking on it and selecting rename, or Command R to call this marker. Now let's say you were happy with this entire work that you did, and you wanted to go ahead and consolidate all these 3 pieces into one wave region. You simply hold the shift key down, and you select the regions that you want to consolidate. After that, you could right click on any of them and select consolidate, or Command J to get one audio region. And that was it for this session of the peer review assignments on Ableton Live editing features. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to your feedback. Thank you.